What is up YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 1.0 in VirtualBox. Windows 1.0 is the very first version of Windows that existed, and it was released in 1985. So what you're going to do is you're going to need VirtualBox, and you're also going to have a link to the copy.sh virtual x86 website. I will put the link to the online virtual machine in the video description. When you're in that site, you're going to click on get floppy image, and that way you can get your image file. So let's get started. So click on new. I'm going to type in Windows 1.0 just like that, and you need to set it as Windows 3.1. Then hit next. Next. Now it's going to run on a floppy disk, so you're going to click on do not add a virtual hard disk, then click on create, then click on continue. Now you're going to hit settings, system, acceleration, and you're going to turn off enable VTX AMDV. Now click on storage. You don't even need a floppy, or in this case a CD-ROM for this. You're going to click here, then click on this area right here, then click choose virtual floppy disk file, and mine is located in the F drive right here. Then click on OK, and then click start. And just like that, you have successfully used Windows 1.0 in VirtualBox. As you can see here, this is Windows 1.0. It's going to say Win 1.01. So let's do like clock.exe, and there you go. It works. It's a live environment, so you don't need to install any version of Windows prior to Windows 2.0. I can type in I'm running Windows 1.0 just like that. And there you go. That's how to install Windows 1.0 in VirtualBox. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon when I upload new videos or make a live stream. Follow me on Twitter at RubenApodito17, or follow me on Instagram at RubenTheTransitFan. So that's how to install or use Windows 1.0 in VirtualBox. So I'll see you next time.